Hey guys. Yeah, guys, Dumelang. Hi family.
Hi, viewers.
Family.
Sesotho.
The guy family.
Family. Hey viewers.
Grand Valley guys. Kanoma.
Kirata mo. Kipalisa Primrose.
man.
Mpomoteng.
Sorry.
Mpomoteng Twai.
Oh, man. Dumelang.
Something like this in real life. Okay, you want to see it in real life?
You can come this side, man. You can come this side.
Already we have an audience. Wow. Is there also champagne? Yes, there's champagne. Yes. Take a ride on that. Wow. Already audience setting. We're going to Pretoria. We have a show every Tuesday at 7 o'clock in the evening.
The name of the show is Make It Perfect.
The name of the show is Make It Perfect. Yes, Dr. November. Okay. Yes, Dr. November is teaching people who are married and people who are in relationships about how they should deal with their challenges and overcome their challenges and enjoy their relationships and enjoy their marriages.
Okay, and then do you pay for the consultation or is it?
No, you don't pay for the consult. You pay for data. You buy a data. You go to our Facebook page, like you Pastor November, and then you will see our page. 7 o'clock tonight will be in Pretoria, and then you watch the show. Yes. Make sure. No, it's on Facebook.
Oh,
Yes, only on Facebook.
Okay.
And what is your name so that I can
My name is
Joy.
but I don't have Facebook. But my kids do have.
Your kids do have a Facebook.
But we on our way now to Pretoria for a funeral.
Okay.
You said the show is tonight?
Yes, tonight 7 o'clock.
No, I'll be on back at home tomorrow. Is it every
Tuesday. Every Tuesday.
Okay.
Thank you.
Love you
as a whole. Going to Pretoria. Don't waste
Keep Pretoria.
Yeah.
Grand Valley.
Grand Valley.
Grand Valley. Pomotso rekala di drinks.
It's on me.
Oh, drinks are on you.
Drinks are on you.
But November is fine, you should be Dr. May. But Dr. November, Dr. May.
It's family.
But we're traveling, guys.
What a blessed trip, guys. Yo. Come on, Limousin. Yo, Limousin. It's a full house. It's a full house. Man, enjoy it, yeah.
So guys, Baba guy, how about you?
Renale Honorable Mutibela, good afternoon. And then Renale Puleng,
Friends and audience here.
I'm not
It's my show, yeah, Make It Perfect. Yo, na retsamaka kolena re ke Limousin. Retsamaka yona for show, yeah, Make It Perfect. Again, every Tuesday.
Baba guy wants Oh yeah, Ke bona na maplate a ke ka re ke yang to Limpopo.
Yeah.
Oh, we're not doing nothing.
Yeah, very happy.
Okay. I'll send my dear. I'll send it to Pretoria. When I Pretoria. Bye bye.
Bye bye, family. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
I grew up on a limo house in
Okay. Thank you. Renale Honorable K. Matibela, good afternoon. Puleng Nikki, we are hi family. And then Relebugile Ramoba. Are hello family.
Family.
Lebogang Chilwane. Are family hi.
Hi.
Ntatisi Sesotho are ke galla ho ba mo na pela lona everyday pastor hle. Ke dula hole ke thabela khotso ya lona. A o hlana askisi. And then di gaga wani o yentse emoji ya pelo. And then yes. And then Terra le mau Arlantia. Awetsa di emoji tsa bana ba lang tsa potela. We say next week. Yes. And then Tidiso Klassen. Are good evening family. Apostle Klassen from Diversdorp.
Good evening.
Men of God.
Men of afternoon. Afternoon. Beribali refilwe marigold. I love the shirt. Kakopa linna. Hey man.
Mary ke na le wena ne tla o yetsetsa. Mary le tla o yetsetsa le a ba yetsetsa. Ito ba la ngwana rona ne.
And then Rebali si ala mabuse si ala are hi. And then Alice Mpirime are hi family why didn't see lehle. Excuse next time I gonna see ya oka Alice. Then Berebali Koni Museu are le batla hore black suits you guys.
Yeah. Especially like you show about it. To say especially.
Yes. And then Renale Precious Sorinyana.
Wow.
It's morning for me here. That means she is abroad.
Wow.
And then I had about hello family.
I'm coming there. I'm coming.
Yes.
I'm coming. It's somewhere.
Yes. And then Salome Kekai are Tobela. And then Refuel Marigold are Nakupa Navy Blue.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love you family. We love you too, Marigold.
Yes.
And then Khalata Chapel are libatle. Let's all look isa mirir. Atumela pila camera rehono. Ukhetan.
Kima
Khalata Chapel.
Khalata o thabisa hle ya Pitori.
Marhalata ke jole ba ya Pitori. Sa bana chance.
No santi iluke man. And then nombulelo waso are mpeni lifti hleng le nna ke tsamaile lona. Aski.
Next time.
Johnson Mega aro kumo tseo morena. Oh, yeah.
I receive it.
You receive them.
Okay. And then Munyati di Dina are family libatle man.
Thank you, family.
Thank you, family.
Thank you, Dina.
And then Maka Twai Minati Mabel Aralo family traveling messes. We will tune in tonight. Love you.
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock is
Yes. Divine Grace Ari. My doctor, we are waiting for you in Pretoria.
Yes.
Aye.
Yes.
And then Tepo Unkolonyani Ari. Ganda ganda.
Ai, say boss.
Tipi e thata bana. O ha ke tsena di thata. Tipi e thata bana. No man. Ke rata style sa lona la nkaza guys. And then Mojalefa Solantle. Hello pastor, I love you family.
Thank you, Mzansi.
Mbuseng Busi Party Arikale Rata thing. And then Lady Soul TB Chabedi hey family, you all look absolutely stunning. Lifiga Dia Dumela, love you guys.
Love you.
Oh yeah,
especially.
Oh my God, I can especially.
Okay, let's tell them. Let's go to American Capital. And I got an Capitori Ribu as a Pitor.
Yeah, guys, we are Pretoria today. The concept of the show.
Yeah, for our first viewers, the concept of the show make it perfect. The reason why it make it perfect is because Dr. November want us to work our relationship and our marriages realize to perfection when our viewers at home, and that is why today on the show Pretoria lead audience. Dr. November will be teaching everyone at Facebook and our audience how do you handle challenges in a marriage or challenges in a relationship. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And the Bible guys, one of the phone,
yes,
part of the show.
Yes.
But the show all over.
Yeah, as Dr. November say, you have a way to call us. We'll give you the number on Facebook at 7 o'clock. You'll find a number and we'll give you that number where you can call us and share with us your marriage and your problems, and Dr. November will assist you on how to deal with those challenges. Even if you have a question for Dr. November or for your life, for whatever that is happening in your life regarding marriages and relationship, Dr. November will then assist you and help you. And we are here to make sure that your marriage, your relationship, it's
perfect. Yes. Khalata Titapelo ar. Atumelan pila camera he. Mushomu iwala teta tuwa bro.
Yes, yes,
all right. And then Makamuhelo Pakamela Aridumelan family. Limousin, please, family, please.
If we hold it, you can do that.
Everything
by
is possible.
Faith, you can say just by faith or spiritual.
Tlaleho precious, you have changed a lot of relationships and marriages.
Wow.
All the best on the journey.
Wow.
And then joyful Nkele, hello my lovely family. Pitori is waiting.
Oh
yeah. Pitori is waiting, man.
Gratitude. Where are you?
Yes. But
no,
panel members.
Guys, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Like
drinks,
we are already drinking.
Yes. They are on e-wallet. Papa, we did as you wished. Tapelo, we did as you wished. Harry Bonne, but I
told you make them a Pretoria.
Yes.
If Baba to join us tonight at 7 o'clock.
079 083 3833. 079 083 3833. Lemo lika send the WhatsApp la phone, then we will be able to give you direction exactly where na go. But don't forget, 7 o'clock, tune in assembly batho ga ala re ken di data
7 o'clock evening.
yes 7 o'clock p.m. evening dulang le di family tsa lona founelang di colleague founelang di relatives founelang di friends hore ka 7 o'clock skimisa make it perfect Pitori ha tle ka hara Pitori ya
Right in Pretoria.
Very
Wow.
soon, re tlo le bafa
yes
Yes. We're going to find the t-shirts.
very soon.
re tlo le fa di t-shirt le lona then we will tell you hore na what to do. But at least we have viewers
Yeah, we
that
have
are
viewers.
commenting on every
We have
video.
viewers.
Yes, we have viewers.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Re tla kopana ka Pretoria
Oh,
ka 2.
no bulelo ya so a re ke kae mo? Mo re Conval. No bulelo re Conval then re tlo tswa ya Pitori.
Re tlo tshela Val.
Yeah, re tlo tshela re ya Pretoria.
Shabu, bye.
Thank you, bye bye.